What is the judicial activism versus strict constructionism debate? Imagine a courtroom where judges are like referees deciding how the game should be played. Now, think about whether they should follow the original rules or adapt them to new situations. That's the core of the debate between judicial activism and strict constructionism. It's a discussion about how judges interpret the Constitution and how much power they should have in shaping laws. Strict constructionism, also called originalism, says judges should stick to what the Constitution meant when it was written. They believe the document has fixed rights and principles. If society changes or new rights are needed, those should be created through laws made by elected representatives or amendments, not by judges. This approach supports limited government because it keeps judicial power in check and respects the separation of powers. Libertarians often favor this because it aligns with their goal of reducing government influence and protecting individual freedoms. Judicial activism, on the other hand, sees judges as more flexible interpreters. They consider current social values and needs when applying the law. Activist judges might interpret the Constitution broadly to include rights not explicitly written down. They believe courts should sometimes step in to protect individual rights or address societal issues when legislatures are slow or unwilling to act. Critics of activism argue it can lead to judges making laws instead of just interpreting them, which could expand government power beyond what the Constitution allows. In practice, this debate influences many issues like civil rights, economic regulation, and government authority. Strict constructionists argue courts should avoid creating new rights and leave policy decisions to elected officials. Judicial activists believe courts have a role in ensuring rights are protected and adapting the Constitution to modern times. From a libertarian view, strict constructionism is often preferred because it supports limited government and individual liberty. Judicial activism can risk giving judges too much power, which might lead to more government control. This debate is about how much power courts should have and whether they should follow the original meaning or adapt the law to current needs. It's a key part of the larger conversation about constitutionalism and the balance of government authority and personal freedom.